Hello little learners. Today we are going on an exciting journey through the alphabet to discover the beginning sounds of words. Get ready for some sound testing fun. A is for apple. Listen to the A sound at the beginning of apple. Can you say it with me? Apple. Good job. B is for ball. Hear the B sound at the start of ball? Yes, let's say it together. Ball. C is for cat. Hear the K sound in the start of cat. Let's say it together. Cat. Good job. D is for dog. D is the sound that starts dog. Say it out loud. Dog. E is for elephant. Listen the E sound at elephant. Let's try it. Elephant. E is for elephant. F is for fish. Fish. Repeat after me. Fish. Good job. G is for gorilla. The G sound at the beginning of gorilla. Join in gorilla. H is for hat. Beginning that. Hat. Say it loud. Hat. Good job. I is for igloo. The E sound start igloo. Let's say it together. Igloo. J is for juice. J start juice. Yes, repeat after me. Juice. Good job. K is for key. K begins key. Join in key. L is for loin. The L sound is in the start of loin. Say it with me. Loin. Good job. M is for monkey. Start in monkey. Let's try it. Monkey. N is for nest. Begin nest. Repeat after me. Nest. Good job. O is for octopus. The A sound start octopus. Say it loud. Octopus. Good job. P is for penguin. P begins penguin. Join penguin. Q is for queen. Q start queen. Let's say it together. Queen. Good job. R is for rabbit. The R sound is at the start of rabbit. Say it with me. Rabbit. S is for sun. S begins in sun. Repeat after me. Sun. T is for tiger. T start tiger. Join it. Tiger. U is for umbrella. The sound start umbrella. Let's try it out. Umbrella. V is for violin. Violin. Say it loud. Violin. W is for watermelon. V starts watermelon. Repeat after me. Watermelon. X is for xylophone. The Z sound is out, xylophone. Say it with me. Xylophone. Y is for yard. Yes, you can start saying yard. Good job. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Let's say it together. Zebra. Well done, little learners. You have discovered the beginning sounds of A to Z. Keep exploring and listening to these awesome sounds. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonderful world of sound. Goodbye for now.